Kublai pi baro kanigede du dar MEGHALAYA bang iptang sabhai pi baro shakatup kubor mita ka janmiet. Shaban pash ki kubor bimnya pechwai gemat bakongsan. Ka sarkar kamdon jitmu bat bendu ke MRSSA ke jipitri kam thamai ke long bat pentlan chushu ke ai o menteri rangba ke jalau kon ke sangma. Bo jengkeli UMLA ke soyong halor ke jeng Syria ke bailut kesan. Ya ke jakab lashim ban snai ke surok Western Bypass pentikna ke sarkar ban penbai ke jeng kaja halor ke ke jaka. Kintu ba Ronnie Lingdo ban penstat no ke jeng pentre ke surok Shillong Dauki ban pau jeng sokia halor ke jeng tat ke tenat yada ban ai jeng bit ban snai ke jeng flyover na relbong shabare. Kintu Menteri Rangbado Keri Narendra Modi penlong ya ke artificial intelligence begitu lang ya baru ke India AI impact submit arajar artificial. But baitengka ke Google 15 katsan $1 billion ban penyeso ya ke India but Keri America lingba ki waya na po duriau ke India AI summit. Mentang Nepash ki kubor nak lengki benta jong ke jela. Menteri Rangba ke jela kon ke sangma mentah kasi lapin syaya kemat ke Indor Bar Assembly. Baka sarkar kamdon kan nu jing temu ban penduk no ya ke MRSSA arhaja khanriu da ke boong. Baka jing terwa kalong kum nu ban penklan ya ke nikaan. Hadian belayo jing mut na kidong ya saat an ban bishar benya da ke tenat ki kampok yin jo ke sarkar pedeng. Bajubab halor ke jengkeli belabu dong yelam ke liang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma. Kuanrat laong baki don kat tu kat ni kiken don hapok ke nikaan ke bai tengku bekeriti sensyar kadar keri kat kum ke kernet ke bakat kendai. Menteri Rangba ulaong bagi dang don hapedeng ke jengkrem ke sarkar pedeng kum nuban pentre kam no ke entry exit checkpoint bantek lakam ke jeng wandrung bean. Hadim la pentikna bakani kamat kadang don hapedeng ke jengkren umuk laweng no ya ke jengkeli.
I think there is no doubt, I would not even use the word I think, I would rather say that there is no doubt that when it comes to illegal immigration and protection of our people and the protection of our land, it is the top priority of every single member of this House and I'm sure every single citizen of our state.
Usembut Menteri Rangba UBDP karena transport tubas nyaw balang dhar ula pentipsha ke ying dor bar ba umshim la pendon kam ya ke pisah jong ke jela na ke benta ke projek Right Shillong ke bla pelat da Menteri Rangba ke jela. Habu jubab ke jengkeli jong MLA ke North Shillong ba Adelbert nongrom ula ong ba ke jeng pentri kam ya ki arputli ki e-cycle hapok ke Sustainable Mobility Project. Hak belah temu ban snai gilinti ya cycle kamtam haniu Shillong. Menteri Rangba ke jelau konrit ke sangma ula benrap baya ke ni ke jeng temu layo jeng kersan nashabar batla don ru khan rios pak ngut ke belah pendon kam ya ke ni ke bahap po ke urban mobility project.
Yes, for new project for example that new roads have been constructed in Shillong newly constructed sector has been built. So we are discussing about everything within the ocean as well within the city. There are roads that is more or less new cycle track, but for the new project I discussed with the department, we are very sure that especially on the new township, all the new 50% of this cycle track has been built.
Sir, as a government and as a society, we need to try. We need to innovate. We need to find new ways and means. Even before trying, we say we are not going to do anything. Then we are going to be standing still and we will never move forward. As a society and as a government and as a state. Clearly, so in this particular reply, it's mentioned that none of government's money was spent. This was a grant or contribution made by a German agency in collaboration with us. to experiment and see how to move forward, because we do desire to see that in the future.
MLA kasing UDP na so yung uba Sinsha Roy Lingdo mentakasngi ulabo jingkeli hakmat ke Indoor Bar Assembly halor ke jingkeno bakadon ka jingbam biang kerukom siu ye ka bailut ksan syakitrai jaka blai jaka benchana ka surok Western Bypass ka National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited habajubab ha ka kenta keli jingkeli Usimbot Menteri Rangbak Kejelau berkemik ketenat PWD ubak Presiden Tensong ulong ba kumba kendai pun rio haduk kendai punyo nak kesispa lal dep bensiu ka bai jakash gitrai kat ba ye ki bidang sa ki bidang don ha pedeng ka jing ya kajia ke sorkar kan to okit benia kum nuban penbet dak ka jing so tho jing mutlang Unong yalam kaliang persya umukul sang maru ulapan pau ke jing songkia halor ke jing bembiang bat ke jing la ban pedon kam baklai ke mineral extraction rules bat kentu ya ke sorkar bakan tokit benia.
That's where I found that there are lands excavated by the allotted NHIDCL company beyond the revenue paid land, because there are times where they change the alignment, and during the construction also there are sediments that are damaging the paddy fields. And that's where the question arises. The landowners have come to me for questions, and also they have gone to the Department of Revenue to raise many queries. So my question here is, what will the government or revenue department or the allotted NHIDCL company do to the landowners of the unoccupied or unpaid portion regarding the land compensation?
If there is any grievances happens to any particular landowner, as I've already said, room is there to listen the grievances and also to resolve the issues. And we do have the district collector revenue who will supervise, who will monitor, who will see, who will attend to all these grievances faced by any particular landowners. And in case if the issues is so complicated where ultimately the district collector are not able to resolve, then we have another steps of grievances where it can be resolved, and that is in the form of arbitrator. So there is a room, sir. There is a room wherever the grievances arises, we are there to resolve the issues.
Menteri ketenat boarding uba met ba lingdo ula pentip syakayin dorbar bagi MEGHALAYA State Electricity Regulatory Commission. Kedi ketenat rekam kebelatau kat kumkaan Electricity Act arhajar lai ke babatai pensyai yaki board rekam jongka hapok ke section ke baprapun riu jong kenikaan. Haba jubab ke jengkeli jong MLA ke UDP uba polling do ulong baka commission mentah ke terekam tang hapok ke jengpet chairman namar baka kam jong dukhot kadang theli. Ula pensyai baka sorkar jela kalak ban penmi iki kendon terekam na ke benta ke jeng mentoi jong kipat ba. Hinrei kam lak ban musliai ki companyat ke bakentup ke jeng penbet ya ke dor kemur bat syusyu ula pentip ru baka commission ke penbet halor ke by boarding ke penbet ke jeng thiet boarding ke ai ki license ke kentiu ke boarding balak ban pentamai biang ke penbet ke jeng ken at bat ke penti kena ke jeng penbiang boarding ke peti kena ula benrap ru baman lau senam laju penlong ki program pensau pat ba haswa ban penskem ya ki khajna.
In short, sir, I would say that the function of this commission is basically to determine the tariff for generation, supply, transmission, and wheeling of electricity, wholesale, bulk, or retail, as the case may be within the state. To regulate electricity purchase and procurement process of distribution licenses, including the price at which electricity shall be procured from alternative companies or licenses or from other sources through agreements for purchase of power for distribution and supply of the state. C. Facilitate inter-state transmission and wheeling of electricity. D. Issue licenses for as transmission licenses and electricity traders with respect to their own within the state.
ke sorkar ban HIDC ban penstat no ke jintre ya ke sauki dalam benjing ekipat ba kesurok ke peno dauki hang lek nong wan ki hapanya hapnya ke jing pum lem ke ki nong lek
for the land acquired, because for example now if the level of the road is raised, then the land on both sides gets affected because of the silt and all the spoil that is dumped there. All these are illegal. In fact, a lot of farmers from my constituency have approached me saying that no, they cannot cultivate anymore. Maybe this also arises during this present budget discussion.
UMLE ka dading gre Europa marak lokintu ban pinyar ka litirel na mendi pathar shadu se jengjal ka bade ka jaka badon markha pakutura da ka babanjo ru bakani ka litirel kan kintiu ka than rilum karo ula benrap ru da ka bapen pau ki jikso kia halo ka jinang jor jong ki bawan buhai shno be an marak ula pen pau ru ya ka jikso kia halor ka jing bamla bet betre kamno ya ka ling suin baljek da ka boong ba wat hadim la pen benapat ba andre ka jing trei pen bha ya ka ni ka ling suin kampat sedang haduk menta bat kumju kitrai jaka kimpat yo ka bai lut ksan halor ka jaka bakila ai ben pen he ya ka ni ka ling suin kumbaj pen kan mau hagini gisngi bala dep ke sorkar kala ong bakan pen he no ikani ka ling suin kanang baki ling suin bakam he ru kin la ben pen kam no na kani ka ling suin
operationalize soon as promised by CM himself during that MOU signing ceremony. He promised me personally that it will be operationalized by this year's April, in the month of April. But not even an inch of work has been started. So I don't think it is going to be operationalized by April. And besides that, landowners are yet to get the compensation. It has been six years now after the acquisition of land is done. So I don't think it is going to be started soon.
Kalenti benit syakawa nong knum kabedai kawi ni kijaka jengok kai ka bapau nama kathan kala judge bapalat ha ka babun kinong jengok kai kila salia benit kini kijaka kesurok nado na lause hadu kusnong sok paru kala sa stang de kimau bat kala bojing e shikat dei kinong let nong wan kam tam ki kalirin wat kesurok badang syudap shna dang hapo shisnem hajan kini kawa kala jot biang bat kala bojing e kinong shong shnong bat kumju kinong wan jengok kai Habai keren bat wain kinong shong hakini kathan uba Ignatius Yaular bat kumju bat chairman ka halatan rai Ecotourism Cooperative Society Limited Nongston uba bante board lang Marwin kila pen pau ki jingso kia halor ka jinglong jingman ka surok hakini kathan bat kentu ki board badai pet bekin pen bhano mardor
kene ka surok na du so palu sia du ding siang numut kala sni palat Neki terus sim ki bawan keleng nak kiwai kiri ngut mak syuban kai pandik. Nga ketua ka sorkar ba kampan saya bejlem nya kene kai ka surok. Aba kum ni kakta ya kani ka kam jung kai perthei. Teh aba kum ta ngakum cerman jung halat rai. Kentulam ya ka sorkar ba kan pej biang ya kani ka surok. Marlimba kajing yati siap kila yakit palat put ajing sisya kida yakit tangkum daki pick up omdai bankit daki truk kenamar kanika surok kadai ka surok jong ka PMEGP kasdai ka surok jong ka sentral ken rai mentakal asnio kemne te ka jenjar ya kini ki toris lada kiwan kayang ni komodri ka surok asnio kipai no salah sinong te kumtahi tentu ya kasokar bahkan pej biang sa sisin ya kan ka surok nang bahkan wanra ya karoi kapar pakan ka khan jumi angni hawas
MEGHALAYA State Skill Development Society minta kasi kelap menolong ke program TEP kam ke Office Rekam Jong Deputy Commissioner Haiz Giant Hills District. Di kispangut kisam lapuli bat ki bempat don kam don jam na keleng ke district kilawan benishim benta kini ke program TEP kam themai. Haba ekran ke DD News MEGHALAYA uba boy mi dekhar ubade skill development officer ula ong ba kani ke program kalong shi benta jong jing TEP kam keleng ke jela khanang bakani rap ki samla wat kam na ke jela ban penrung haki jakat rekam beper
bun ki khana ki badan ki balong ki nong snong jong ka MEGHALAYA ke jongi ki ba wat ya ki kam ki jam mar ngi thu ba ka perthai ka bang imenta shibun ki ba shushong yeng bat ki bam don kam bam don jam bat ki ba jingjaru kam tam ya ka ban wat ya ki lat ban yo kita ki kam ki jam ndai lang ba jong ka office ni ngila persyang ban wat ya ki employer ki ban long kalat ya ka ban play lenti na ka ki khana ki ba wat kam wat jam kum ka jingtip ko jonga bakani ka diru ka sin ka baning kong ka bangin punyo blog kum kani ka program po ka district jongi bat kum ni bangasu kumen balang ba jongi ka sngi ka bani ikat ni kinong chong snong ki ba don po ka district jongi ki ba one chakani ka recruitment drive
ke State Disaster Management Authority rengkat ke jing tray lang ke District Disaster Management Authority minta ke singila penlong ke training program jong kawat ke balai na ke benta ke Yuva Abda Mitra Volunteer Hari Boy College. Ya kini ke training program kabane enyo skilinter la penlong na ke jing temu ban ai jing kai ki samla puli ki nong tray mon ngobha. Kumnu penlong ki blapen kre ban ai jing rap ki pat ba. Lada jia ba one link shop ke Mariang la ni ki no ki jing ja ki bakirke. Hapa ai jeng keren hakani ke program. U Assistant Commissioner u Akash Armarak ula ai ke jeng ro alor ke jeng wani shimbenta shit hem jeng samla puli. But kintu iki bikin long ke belapan kre ban ai jeng da yaki we ha ke imlang ke salang bat ban hikai lang ru yeki kumno ban shim yeki lat jeng da lada wanja ringkhat kinu ke jeng ja.
So your decision to participate in this program actually shows your commitment towards your commitment to serve the society. So in times of disaster, trained youth like you will become the first line of support between the community and the administration. See, the civil defense, they can't be everywhere, but with trained youths like you, they can contact you whenever there is a disaster.
Kaseng Indian National Congress kalapan mi ke program kablatip kum kasagatan Srijan Abhiyan da kajing tmu ban penklan ke rukom trekam kaseng haki jaka beper bat ban penthamai ye kinong yalam hakeleng ke district. Kum shibenta jong kani program unong yalam ka AICC uba John Richard Lobo ulale jurep ya kathan riboy bat lum jingtip bat ban ye plio jingmut bat kinong tre kaseng baraka ju ka por ban ye rap yeki banjit yu president apo ke district. Uba John un penlong ke jinglet jurup hi block committee beper haduk ke arpusau terik rempang. Katba uba Rocky Marwen uba long u ad hoc president ula ong ba kani ke jingi pelio jingmut ke long ban pendap ye ki kerdan ke bidang thali bat ban klan ke rukom trekam ke seng nadu na kishnong kitau.
The objective of this entire Abhiyan is to strengthen the DCC now. As of now, the various activities that the promotional thinking which our Congress had, but at the grassroots level, for implementation, there were a lot of problems. Understanding all these issues, All India Congress Committee thought of revamping the districts and to activize the districts and to see that all the programs are properly implemented at district level.
Urang pa snong jong snong maurapat uba kermens kem shangdiar menta kasi ula ajik ben shahilo ke jikno jong kikat tu kat ni kinong snong hak be day ba jik ben kenria ka maurapat lower primary school ba jik petre kam ke scheme Jal Jeevan mission. Kani jeng pensai ke jong kalami hadian bekikat tu kat ni ginong sok snong gila kena bo orang ba snong ulai le don bor ban pen kriya ke skul bat pen don kambak laru ya ke bor ban pun poi ya ke umbam umdi shakilong gieng haba krench gila pathai khu bor meta ke sngi uba sang dia ula kentaj ya kini ke jeng kena da ke boong ba kan ni ke jeng kren ke jong ki kalong ke bom don nong rem bat ke penja burom Ulang bayar ke skul apan kerja sekian dor bar snong hadiah beladap rai dor bar snong nambar bakaying skul berim kam isngan show bat banjur bakani ke rai kalong berwanra ke jing sngan na ke benta ki kena skul hindrai om kinu ki jing tmu ki besniu
Tangan itu ini kamdon kenunu ke jing ma kamdon kenunu ke taga jisier po snong po thau kum halakan tho hindrai isong su bat sindat hakato sni kami kensan Kebalong kumbang yuk trong besai. Namar ngaburu ke jingkli. Bapalai kini ki beriu. Kiwan seni. Haba kila lej. Hakahima ban report ikta ke jing sengau persak jungki. Ngingim ni bang sengau persak iki. Ni pedang ke jing sengau tu jungki. Hendrai ki kam ni pentulun. Lengba ki komiti. Ki bor sesar senong. Bat ki bor sesar hima. Tekatu ke jing wan jungki hane. Bantat ya senang cumi ngasih bakam deh kaliti kepada
mentang ni pas ki kubor na keleng kathan jtela mingi Menteri Rangba ke Naglan Unefu Duyo mentakasni ulap lipat ba ke JSW Women Centric BPO di Mapur Kadi kesnat terekam belatau dek Investment and Development Authority of Nagaland. Rengka ke jing terelang ke JSW Foundation apo ke JSW Shakti. Kadi ke BPO beningkong do jung kilong kemia kathan cetela mingi. Kathong jung kadi kesnat terekam kalong ban pli lat kilong kemia beladap khat prasnem ke erta seneng ben yo kam yo jam hakaliang ke information technology. Uriyo loong bakani ke jing sedang kalong ban penkop bor kilong kemi bat ban kentiu ki hakaliang ke technology mentang ini pas ki kubor na keleng kari Haka jingelang India AI Impact Summit 8,000 ke belalong ha Bharat Mandapan New Delhi. Menteri Rangpadu Keri Narendra Modi ula banjur ban penlong ke artificial intelligence nak benta jong barok dak boong bakan ni kan day ban long ke atiar nak benta ban ketup lang bat ban penkup bor. Syuk Modi ula banjur bak ke artificial intelligence kadi ban long ke bakin tup lang ye barok ke bahok bat syakri ke than basyati jong ke pertai. Lapan paru halor kathong manav jongkari India nak benta ke artificial intelligence ke badani ke jingkit clear. Bala maham persha halor ki kam thok bat pen pau halor ke jingkiu juga India hakaliang ki semiconductor ki data bagi startups ke babo ia ke ri kum ke jakka pedeng hakaliang ke artificial intelligence.
AI Impact Summit में आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। ये समिट जिस भारत में हो रही है वो भारत 1/6 ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। भारत दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी युवा आबादी का देश है।
Haka jingelang India AI Impact Summit ke Google. Lapan benar halor ke jing bay tingka ke bakat $1 billion nak bentak ben kentiu ke jing penyeso ke artificial intelligence ke bakan top ia ke jing penyeso ling bagi kabel na po duriau lani ki subsea cables hapen ke India bakari United States hapo ke jing temu America India Connect. Haba ajeng kerang ke jingelang India AI Impact Summit CEO jong ke Google usandar pichai laong bakani ke projek kat penyar ke jing penyeso ke liang ke digital hak leng ke thai basyati jong ke perthai bat kershan ban kentiu ke artificial intelligence shu ula benrap baka Google kan yatrai lang bat ke aims ban pentre kam ki tiar artificial intelligence nak benta ban ya rapi ki doktor hak jing sumar yakinong pang
AI is also helping to create net new experiences that are truly helpful. The Gemini app, our personal AI assistant, is growing rapidly across the world, and India is among our largest markets. It's available in 10 languages spoken in India. Underlying this progress is our world-class infrastructure. Last year, we announced a $15 billion AI hub in Vizag. This hub will house gigawatt-scale compute and a new international subsea cable gateway. When finished, it will bring jobs and the benefits of cutting-edge AI to people and businesses across India.
Mentang ni pas ki kubon na keleng kepertai. Kiri ke Gulf kilas dang ye ubnai kentang jangka Ramadan hadin ke jingyu i ubnai ki borsin shar ha Saudi Arabia ba United Arab Emirates kila pentikna ke jing sedang jangka Ramadan iwe saw nyo AH ke janmi jangka sngi baar ha belas dang ke jing sha jing it hinin ke sngi ki he sarkar na Qatar bat Kuwait kila penbenai ya ka khat praterik urimpang kum ke sngi sedang jangka Ramadan ke bayahap kat kum ke jing ken ke jing long ki hara klur Haka juga por kari oman kum kam shim la pentip halor ke juga iyo benai bat kala pen bena menta kasngi kum kasngi ningkong jangka Ramadan. Menta ini pas ki kubor yele akai. Kalimpong 6th National Rafting Championship kabla kerteng the ultimate river battle kelas dang menta kasngi Hashibno Doda District jangka Jammu and Kashmir on pelong kini Kalimpong ki sausgi lenter ki jaka balat-lat jangka wat cenap ha baki kin hun king lieng ki bapau na keleng keri India kelawan benishim benta kapan tenju ke jing la ban sha ke jing trei langkum ka wei ke kin hun baki sap king lieng Penong kini Kalimpong dah kena jengok kai perthai jangka Jammu and Kashmir haringka ke jing trailang ke bor penyak district ke Doda bat kini ke jing ekop ketemu ban kentiu ke Doda kum ke jaka nak bentar ke jing elek kai ki kam jengok kai perthai bat kiwei Demi tapat ni pek ke jing long cuman ke sini benang hak keleng ke bentar jangka jela Hatura kajing krek kelong khatnyo degree Celsius bagajing shit kelong 4 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kelong 4 na kashispa haba pai pa chanong ba shillong kajing krek kelong khatwei degree Celsius bagajing shit kelong 4 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kelong 4 na kashispa kat pa hajwai pat kajing krek kelong khatwei degree Celsius bagajing shit kelong 4 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kelong 4 na kashispa kasuin beneng kan rang bat sha hatura shillong bajwai Sopan pois bukut jang thup kebon pe biang sesian kemat bekongsan. Kesorkar kamdon jing temu ban penduk ke MRSSA ke jing petri kam temai kan long ban penklan syuk ke an ong menteri rang bak ke jelau Konrad K Sangma. Bo jing keli UMLA ke soyong halor ke jing siu ke bai lutsan ya ke jaka belashim ban snai ke surok Western Bypass. Pentikna ke sorkar ban penbet ke jing kajah halor ke jaka. Kintu ubak Ronnie Lingdok ban penstat no ke jing petre ke surok Shillong Dauki. Pen pau jing sokia halor ke jing ketat ke tenat yada ban ai jing bet ban snai ke jing king flyover na Rilbong Shabarik. Kintu Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ban pelong ke AI ke berkentuk langnya baru ke India AI Impact Summit Arajar Arpundrio. Bat bay tingkah ke Google $100 billion ban penisok ke India berkeri Amerika leng baki waya nampak duriau ke India AI Summit. Ti perlu ketung lapor sebukut jangtup kebor jangan minta ke janmit hidup Indonesia yang baik pilih saya kesini kublai pi baro.